Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to paint with you a beautiful and colorful galaxy, so let's dive in. So I will draw a circle and I will use this paper plate to do that, and for that I will use an HB pencil and I will do a circle softly because I don't want to mark the paper. I have here my circle and I will do a mask around it with the masking fluid. So this way I'm making sure that the white will be protected from the pigment, since I will use very dark colors. This is a very cheap brush. I'm sure that it will be damaged after using the masking fluids, so don't use your best brushes to apply the masking fluid. Use something that you can throw away after using it. Well, before applying this, I will draw a little moon over here. A little moon. That I will uncover after having everything done. Okay, this is the masking fluid I'm using. So I will grab a little bit of this masking fluid on the cap and I will put it around the circle. This way I will protect all the edges from the pigment. So the important thing here is to make the circle as even as possible. Doesn't matter what is happening here, but here is what you want to have as even as possible. And here is the moon. It's just a simple circle we're going to make to keep it completely white. Okay, now I'm going, like this is a galaxy, I'm going to make some splashes, and for that I will drop the brush completely in the masking and then I will do this kind of splashes. This way I will have stars after painting everything. Now I'm going to let this to dry before starting to paint again. Okay, now that this is dry, I can start painting. I want to use different colors, but I want to use some blues and maybe some turquoise and pink. And I wanted to do like a colorful galaxy. Okay, so I will start by putting clean water on the circle. I will use a bigger brush to make that. So I will put water all over the circle. Now I don't have to care about the circle because I know that the masking will protect the edges. So I will just drop water here. And I will start by bringing the colors, and I will start light and then I will be adding more and more colors. A little bit of Persian blue. I will add a little bit of Cobalt Blue because I want it to be so colorful. But I love also indigo when I'm doing galaxies, and I will here bring my other palette and I will add a little bit of indigo color here. You can start seeing the masking fluid showing up. And here I will start adding more brilliant colors. I will add a little bit of lemon yellow deep. Okay, and I will add a little bit of upper rose here. And I will add a little bit of turquoise. This is Cobalt Turquoise. I have it in my other palette. It's a very vibrant color. And I will add a little bit more of yellow touches here, like little stars. Adding a little bit of dark spots between the colors gives a little bit of depth to the painting. And I can add a little bit of black, just a little bit. To make it darker on the edges. Now with the brush clean, just with water, I will put little drops of water inside the colors. This way I will make like light spots. Okay, now the galaxy is completely dry and we can take out the masking fluid. So for that I use my eraser. I will just scrub it a little bit and take out the masking. So with that, I have clean edges, and here I have to peel all these stars that I can do it with my hand actually. And just by gently touching the masking fluid, it will come out and you will feel where there are little spots of masking fluid, just like touching gently all over the painting. One more thing, I will add a little bit of detail here to the moon. I will grab a little bit of indigo color, but it's just a little bit. Just to bring a slight shadow. At the end, I improved a little bit the edges with the brush, the spaces where I feel that it's not even. And yes, this is the final galaxy. So now we have our beautiful galaxy, and this was so relaxing and satisfying to do. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can experiment a lot while doing galaxies. You can use more light colors, or you can try it out painting all over the page and adding more details or more stars or whatever. It's up to your creativity. And please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video or what topics you would like me to see painting, so we can create something together. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video.